The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd Canto, 25th Chapter, text number 25, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on November 25th, 1974, in Bombay, India.
In the association of pure devotees, discussion of the pastimes and activities of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is very pleasing and satisfying to the ear and heart. By cultivating such knowledge, one gradually becomes advanced on the path of liberation, and therefore he is freed, and his attraction becomes fixed. Then real devotion and devotional service begin.
सतां प्रसंगात् मम बीज संविदो भवन्ति रित्कर्ण रसायना कथा तज्जोषणा दास्य पवर्गवत्मनि श्रद्धारति भक्ति अनुक्रमिष्यति. So here it is recommended satang prasanga, talks between devotees. Satang means devotee, not ordinary person. Those who are devotees, Sat and Asat, there are two things. Sat means which exists, and Asat means which does not exist, temporary. That is called Asat. This material world is asat. Therefore Vedic injunction is asato ma sadgama. Don't keep yourself within this material world. Child. Asato ma. So people who are interested in materialistic life, they are called asat. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was asked by a devotee, what is the behavior of a Vaishnava, of devotee? Vaishnava means devotee. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, असत संग त्यागी वैष्णवाचा. असत संग त्यागी वैष्णवाचा. He, in one line he said that first of all, Vaishnava, his business is to avoid the company of asat. Asat means those who are materialistic interested. Asata, asato ma sadgama. This is very important thing. We have established this Krishna Consciousness Society means that to avoid the asatsanga, to avoid the, of course, we are preaching Krishna consciousness amongst the people who are interested in material subject matter. But we are not associating with them. We are associating with Krishna because we don't talk anything except Krishna. We are not interested with their business. Everyone is interested with his own business. Similarly, we are interested with our own business, Krishna consciousness business. Even if we go to a materialistic person, we can back, kindly become our member, kindly read this book, purchase this book. So, we are not going to take their activities. We are trying to bring them in our activities. So, asasangatya Vaishnavacha. The Vaishnava, he should be always careful not to intermingle means not to take up their ideas and thoughts. No. That is Vaishnavas. Asatsanga tyagi Vaishnava. Why they should be avoided? Asat acts trisangi, Krishna abhaktva. Who is asat? Asat means those who are very much attached to sense gratification. The culmination of sense gratification is sex life. So those who are too much attached to sex life, trisangi, and Krishna bhakta, and not devotee of Krishna, they are asat. So those who are actually serious to make advance in spiritual life, they should avoid the asat. Asat sanga tyagi Vaishnavachar. Asat acts trisangi, Krishna abhakta are. So if we discriminate like this, then we shall be advancing. Apavargavatmani. Tajjosanadasu apavargavatmani sadhya bhakti anupramisati. Just like if we are diseased, there is infectious disease, epidemic. So we should be careful not to be infected by the infectious disease. See, Sanatana Goswami said in Bhakti, Hari Bhakti Vilas, he has written one book, The Behavior of the Vaishnava, Hari Bhakti Vilas. So in that book, he has recommended Avaishnava mukhadgirna puta hari kathamritam savanam na kartavam. He has said that one who is not Vaishnava, by his behavior, by his action, by his mode of life, if he speaks something from Shastra, especially Harikatha, Harikatha means Bhagavad Gita, the Puranas, out of which the Bhagavad Mahapurana. So, we should not hear from a professional reader or a Vaishnava or Mayavadi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has warned, Mayavadi bhashya sunile hoy sarvanas. If we hear Bhagavad Gita, that is Krishna Katha, Harikatha, we should not hear from the Mayavadis or a Vaishnava. Then it will not be effective. There are so many Mayavadis and a Vaishnava, they practically do not accept Krishna, even the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and they dare to speak on Bhagavad Gita.